them nights when anything goes. Got a whole lot of shine, a little something slow.
Another one, y'all. I run yet? What you doing? What's up, man? This is Federal. Colgate Trap.
Big bottle of whiskey, fresh yard at Pine. Got something real fine, spending some quality time. Trying to unwind at a
back with another one.
So high, you can see it for miles. It's just one of them nights where anything goes and ain't nothing off limits. We living like it might be our last night of living. Mixing pleasure and business, making profit tops.
What's going on? What's that review? 12 gauge Federal. Single shot shotgun.
Ain't no reason to go if you ain't going hard. If anyone deserves a celebration, that be us. Been working so hard for the last 9 months. Studio to the bus, from the bus to the stage, back to the bus. Wake up next day, the same thing. Then it's back to the kitchen, cooking up something delicious. 180 proof in them switches. One of them